Hi there and welcome to another episode of Quick View. I go by the name Sorjigrey, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, make sure to do that by hitting the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. So I want to talk about my favorite go-to graphic design app for both the iOS devices and the Android devices. I've been doing a lot of digging, a lot of research on that one app that can help you do anything graphic design related. So be it postcards, complimentary cards, business cards, Instagram ads, face anything for YouTube thumbnails, anything. So let's jump into the video and I hope you find this interesting. So Canva uses the internet, and for that reason, that's why I have my internet on. It has a lot of online design assets that you would need, and for that reason you have to connect to the internet. So I think opening an app at first, you need to sign up, and I've already done that. And so let's head to what this app can do for us. Now, as you can see, it has a lot of design templates. So the more we scroll down, the more we see different templates we can choose from. So if you want to edit any of them, you can do so easily. All what you have to do is wait for it to load up, as you can see. And then once it does load up, you can edit anything, basically anything, the image behind the post. You can do anything you want to do. So now let me go back and let's go to designing a logo. So you have different formats of posts you can make with Canva. You have Facebook cover, Snapchat geo filter, and my favorite is the logo part because I feel if you want to do professional work, you definitely need a logo. I've always been an advocate of having a logo, and this app helps you to get a very nice distinctive logo. So let me just see what I can do. So we have different templates here, and all you have to do is just choose what you're comfortable with, and then you're good to go. So let's say I'm into music. I do make a lot of beats, and I want a logo that kind of reflects what I do. So I'm going to choose this one, and it's going to load up because it's going to download all the assets from its online store, and then now I have it here. So this is what I want to do. I want to change the name of, I want to maintain the logo, like the Beat Wave logo, but then I want to change the name to Sorjigrey Beats. So once you tap it, it pops up, your text, your keyboard pops up, and you can just type in anything you want to type in. So I'm going to type in Sorjigrey Beats, and I'm done. So now I want to make it a little bit bigger. I can do this, or I can just choose here, and then I can increase the size. So I think I'm going to just manage with what I have here, and then so I have something like this. What can I do? I don't really like the font, so I'm going to choose Railway. Railway is my favorite font. I'm going to choose Railway, and let's search for it. And as you can see, we have the Railway. We have a variety of fonts, guys. So I'm going to choose Railway Heavy, and then I'm going to adjust this to make it a bit, appealing. And then it's trying to center it for me. So yeah. So there I have it, Sorjigrey Beats. In order to export it, you are faced with the option of choosing a PNG. I would recommend you choosing PNG because PNG gives it this transparent background that you can use to, you can put it on any other image at all. So for example, let me see. We have solid background, we have transparent background. I'm going to choose transparent background. Yeah, so this app is just going to save my, my logo. And then there I have it. I'm going to save it, and this is my logo, as you can see. So for example, I want to put it onto an image, right? So I'm going to go to Pixel Express. I love using Pixel Express to do double exposure or to put another image onto an already existing image. So I think I shot this today. I actually shot this today. Yes, so I want to put the logo, say, right here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to tap double exposure, tap to add photo, and then I'm going to add my logo. You see, so this is going to go right here, and I'm going to save it. So this becomes like a logo I can slap onto any image. It's so fast, number one, It's very easy. You don't need to have any design, experience or expertise of any sort. You just tap into the app, do some experimentation here and there, adjustments here and there, and then you can finally decide on what you really like. So let me zoom in a bit for you to see how the logo looks like. This is high quality stuff, and yeah, so Canva can do a lot of things. If you want to do, say, a post for Instagram story, you have the option to do that over here. If you want to do something for Snapchat, anything at all, you can. Like, I mean, this app, I've been using it for a very long time. I do design ads for clients. That's all gadgets, and as you can see, I have like a very nice design for the person's Instagram story, and I have the title of what the product is about and a little bit description, and then I have the pricing and then the image and this whole nice setup. So these are like some of the exciting things Canva can do, and I recommend the Canva app to anyone. If you want to move to an Android phone, you still maintain all your design assets, so you don't lose anything. If you want to use the website, you go to the website canva.com. You can find all your design assets over there. This is so cool, and I recommend this app to anyone. So thanks for watching this episode of Quick View. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. Thanks so much, and stay blessed.